Is artificial intelligence our friend or foe? The debate rages on. While some say we should proceed with caution, others are eager to see what new AI tools can do. Top industry leaders have called for a pause on its development, but Google's AI has already learned a new ability on its own, without being programmed to do so. Exciting? Yes. Scary? Also yes. Is this the reason why OpenAI isn't developing GPT-5 yet? In today's video, we're going to talk all about that, so keep watching till the end. The recent debate over GPT-5 has raised some concerns about the safety and ethical implications of creating an AI model that is more powerful than its predecessors. As most of you probably already know, the debate was sparked by an open letter that was signed by over 27,000 people, including influential figures like Elon Musk, calling for a 6-month pause on the training of AI models that are more powerful than GPT-4. The concerns outlined in the letter were primarily related to the potential dangers of releasing an AI model that is too powerful without adequate safety measures in place. This is a valid concern, given the potential for AI models to be used for malicious purposes, such as creating fake news or deepfakes that could be used to spread disinformation. It's definitely scary when you realize that the smartest people in the industry are so concerned about the dangers of AI that they call for a halt in its development. What does that mean for us mere mortals? OpenAI CEO Sam Altman criticized the letter for lacking technical nuance about where the pause is needed. However, he did confirm in an interview with MIT that GPT-5 is not currently in training and won't be for some time. Altman also acknowledged the importance of ensuring that GPT-5 is released safely, stating that, "Moving with caution and increasing rigor for safety issues is really important." He made a modest attempt to further ease concerns about AI by mentioning that OpenAI dedicated more than 6 months to train GPT-4 before making it available to the public. He also emphasized the significance of thoroughly examining the model's safety by stating, "It's crucial to take the time to carefully investigate its safety." Altman's comments highlight the need for greater attention to be paid to the safety and ethical implications of AI research. While AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, it also poses significant risks if not properly regulated. One way to mitigate these risks is to focus on creating alignment datasets and evaluation metrics that can be used to ensure that AI models are aligned with human values and goals. This is something that Altman has also called for, stating that OpenAI should make great alignment dataset and alignment evaluations and then release those. However, it is advisable to approach Altman's claims about prioritizing safety with some skepticism. During the recent MIT interview, not all of his statements seemed entirely accurate. For instance, when asked if OpenAI would maintain its transparency going forward, he responded that, "We certainly plan to continue doing that." However, the question itself is misleading, since OpenAI, which was once a completely open-source nonprofit organization, has increasingly become closed and for-profit. GPT-4, in particular, is a mysterious entity. The company has not disclosed any details about the training data used to fine-tune its latest chatbot. Additionally, there has been no information shared about GPT-4's design, architecture, or actual internal workings. But that's not all. While Altman's confirmation that OpenAI is not currently developing GPT-5 is reassuring, it won't be of any consolation to people worried about AI safety. The company is still expanding the potential of GPT-4, such as connecting it to the internet, for example. There's also work being done to optimize GPT-4, and OpenAI may release GPT 4.5 as it did GPT 3.5. This shows how version numbers can mislead. This belief that numbered technological updates represent clear and continuous advancements in capability is a fallacy commonly found in the consumer tech world. It is a marketing tool used to assign numbers to new phones or operating systems and is not reflective of rigorous version control. This same idea is now being applied to systems such as OpenAI's language models, making it difficult to dismiss concerns about AI safety. Therefore, many experts agree that the focus should be on capabilities and demonstrations of what these systems can and cannot do, rather than version numbers. The debate should not center around whether OpenAI is training GPT-5 or not, but rather on the safety implications of expanding the capabilities of GPT-4 and other AI systems. It's clear that safety must be a top priority when developing these technologies. This was also the message delivered by Greg Brockman, the CTO of OpenAI, during a talk about GPT-4 and 5. According to Brockman, the large-scale nature of these language models means that certain abilities may emerge spontaneously without being explicitly programmed or designed. These emergent abilities can be powerful and unpredictable, which is why it's crucial to ensure that the AI is completely safe before it is released. To illustrate this point, he shared two fascinating examples. The first involved two different models, GPT and a model by Google, which had no difference in terms of their abilities. However, as the models increased in parameter size, they suddenly gained the ability to do arithmetic, despite not being programmed to do so. The second example involved training an AI on multiple languages, but only teaching it to answer questions in English. As the model size increased, it suddenly gained the ability to answer questions in Persian, without any clear explanation as to why. These examples highlight the potential danger of emergent abilities in AI. If we don't fully understand how these models work, we may be risking the safety of ourselves and others. That's why Brockman emphasized the importance of rigorous testing and research to ensure that new AI models are completely safe. We're happy to hear that the top dogs at OpenAI are on the same page about AI safety. But what do other people in the industry instead have to say about new and exciting AI breakthroughs? Before we get into that, we just want to ask you to hit the like and subscribe button because the AI that controls the YouTube algorithm needs that to boost our video. Well, the CEO of Google discussed one such breakthrough in a recent interview with 60 Minutes. The discussion revolved around how Google's AI was able to learn a new ability that wasn't previously coded into it. Now, before you start imagining robots taking over the world, let's take a step back and understand what this means. As humans, we are born with certain abilities and limitations. We can learn new things, but we can't just wake up one day and suddenly have the ability to fly or breathe underwater. Similarly, AI is programmed with certain abilities, but it can also learn and adapt to new situations. Google's AI was able to do just that. It learned a new ability, one that wasn't programmed into it, and that's a really big deal. It shows that AI can not only learn but also innovate and create new things, which is both exciting and scary. This is definitely a cause for concern, don't you agree? Google, for instance, is already working on creating something 10 times more powerful than GPT-4 within the next 18 months. Let me repeat that once more for you. 10 times more powerful. This means that the AI race could heat up even more, with companies rushing to release software that may not even be ready yet. Now, how do you feel about that? Luckily, it's not all doom and gloom. There are also positive steps being taken to ensure that AI is developed safely and responsibly. For instance, when GPT-5 is ready, it'll be released incrementally, with subsequent updates every couple of months to address safety concerns and continuously enhance the AI model. So, what are your thoughts on the recent debate over GPT-5 and the future of AI? Do you think that we need to be more cautious when it comes to developing AI models that are more powerful than their predecessors? Or do you think that the potential benefits of AI outweigh the risks? Let us know in the comments. Can't get enough of AI? Here are some awesome videos you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of AI. Thanks for watching!